So today we will solve some numericals based on the Ostwald dilution laws. These are the solved numericals of Ostwald dilution law. So let us see this numericals. So from this numerical you will get some idea how to calculate the problem. Already you can I have given some problem. You can see in our problem sections to see these questions. Solve numericals. Calculate the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution of 0.2 molarity acetic acid, and also calculate the degree of dissociation. So here we have given dissociation constant of this acid is acetic acid 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. So this is already weak acid. We have find the concentration of H plus. So just write the dissociation constant of this dissociation of acetic acid like this one. This is the anion. This is the cation. So before dissociation concentration C00, and after dissociation this C become 1 minus alpha. So from here we can see that H plus is equal to C into alpha, but alpha we don't know, concentration is given. So we require Ka. So H plus is equal to C into alpha, and alpha is nothing but it is Ka by C that we have already seen the formula. So we can put Ka by C. So we on cancel this equal K into C. Now we have two value. This is given. So just substitute the value. So we will get the concentration of H plus is this much molarity, and in this way we can find the alpha. Alpha is equal to nothing but the K by C. So K is given, C is given, so K by C. So we can find the alpha. Alpha is nothing but the 0.9% is less than 1, so alpha is less than 5%. So this is the alpha value, and this is the concentration of the H plus. Now we will see the second. Calculate the concentration of a solution of fluoroacetic acid. Fluoroacetic acid in which hydrogen is given, K is given, two values given. We have to find the initial concentration. So write the formula like this: CH3FCOH. This is the fluoroacetic acid. So this is the initial concentration C00, and after dissociation it will be C alpha C into 1 minus alpha. So here H plus is nothing but a C into alpha. So C into alpha, H plus is given here. This is 1.5 10 power minus 3 molarity. So 1.5 divided by 3 molarity. So this should be equal to this much concentration. But here if you write the law of chemical equilibrium, so K is equal to CH2FCO minus H plus and CH2FCOH. So this should not be, if you use this is equal to this one, so what will happen? So if you multiply this one, but we don't know the actual value of this one. So here we know that this one, so C alpha write full, alpha square, C cancels, and the C alpha into alpha we can write like this one. So this is nothing but a C into alpha, and C alpha we know this value, put this value, alpha into 1 minus alpha. Now we can find alpha very well. So if you calculate this value, so alpha is equal to how much? 0.634, and the concentration will be dividing this by alpha, so we will get this is the concentration. Why? One more thing, why we cannot write K is equal to C alpha square? Why? If we ignore, suppose alpha minus 1, if you ignore it, so what will happen? On ignoring it, this becomes C into alpha square. So C alpha into alpha, so alpha equal to Ka by C alpha. This is the Ka, this is the C alpha, this is the Ka, and this is the C alpha. So if you divide, alpha equal to 1.73, which is impossible. That's why we never do this process. We have to do in this process. This is the way. At 20 degrees centigrade, alpha equal to 0.001 normal acetic acid solution is 11.7%, and calculate Ka of acetic acid. So write we have to one K. So here alpha is given 11.7%. So this alpha we can write 11.7% into 0.117. So at equilibrium this will be C alpha C into 1 minus alpha is very well. K equal to C alpha square 1 minus alpha, and here alpha we know that, and here the concentration also given 0.01 normality, so we can easily find dissociation constant. So putting the value on this is the alpha 1 minus alpha, you will get this value 1.53 into 10 power minus 5. This is the dissociation constant of acid. So now next at 25 degrees centigrade, equivalent conductance of any solution is given, that is the equivalent conductance at direct solution 0.128 normality of acetic solution is this one 14 per ohm per equivalent, and at in infinite solution the same, if you take the infinite solution, the same solution will give you the conductance 391 per ohm per equivalent. So we have to find the alpha of acetic acid in the solutions. So alpha equal to equivalent conductance at dilute solution by the infinite solution. This is given here 14, this is given 391. So if you solve it, you will get the alpha value. And alpha equal to C alpha square. Why? Because alpha is very less. So decision constant of the acetic very less, alpha is very less. So we can use directly C alpha square. So we know alpha, we know C. C is given here 0.0128 and alpha is given 0.030. 1 square, you will get this answer. So this is the one way. Now for a solution of weak acid, a graph pH versus the log of initial acid concentration should be a straight line. What does slope represent? So the log of initial acid concentration should be a straight line. So this is the one pH versus log of initial concentration. So first to write the equation HA equal to H plus and H plus. So K equal to product of concentration divided by HA. So you will get H plus A. And now if you see the concentration of this and this are equal, so we can write in terms of concentration. This is equal to this one, so we can write H plus square by HA. So now HA equal to square root of K into concentration of HA into A multiply by log on both sides. So minus log, this is the multiply minus log H plus minus, this will be half minus half log K into HA. This is nothing but pH, this will be your minus half log A minus half log HA. So now this is equation of straight line, which is the equation of straight line. So pH is nothing, Y m into x. So this is the half is the m, so this is the m. So we can see here this is the our m and this is our x and this is our c. So c is the our slope, c is minus log k and m is minus half and this is our x. So everything is given y mx plus c. So this is our answer. Water H plus and A minus and B minus in this concentration in a solution, that is 0.03 molarity HA and 0.01 molarity HB. Ka for HA and HB, these two acids has been given 1.38 into 10 minus 4 and 1.05 into 10 minus 10 respectively. So we have find the concentration. You have to find the concentration of this thing. So from K and Kb we can find the concentration of this one. So for HA, let us take for HA. So K we can write like this form. Product of the concentration divided by HA. So if these are equal to each other as compared to this is the more acidic, this is less acidic. So in this case we can ignore the concentration of H plus, but here we cannot ignore the concentration because these two are present in a solution. In a solution, due to common ion effect, so concentration of H plus will be less effective. There is more product concentration. So in this case, what is H plus? H plus will be equal to this into A. So 1.38 into 10 power minus 4 and the concentration of this H is given 0.03 molarity, put here. So on solving we will get concentration of H plus is equal to both this and this will equal to 2.04 into 10 power minus 3 molarity. Now if you take HB, so in these cases what will happen? So K equal to H plus into B minus by HB, but here concentration of H plus is very less. Why? Because of common ion effect. Concentration of H plus from is coming from the HA is more, so this is ignored. So we can write here not ignored, we will take not H plus from the HB, we will take H plus from the HA because H plus from the HA is much more than the H plus coming from the HB. So H plus coming from the HB is ignored, H plus coming from the HA is accepted. So H plus is provided by HA, not by HB. Why? Because HB is almost undissociated due to low concentration of K. So it is there, 10 power minus 10 is there. So K is for HB is this one. This is very less, and this is from the HA. This is the B minus divided by 0.1. So here concentration B will be 5.15 into 10 power minus 9 molarity. So now the freezing point of 3.75 into 10 power minus 2 molarity aqueous solution of weak electrolyte or weak acid, that is HA, is 272.9 Kelvin. So this is the freezing point is this much. This is the concentration. The molality of the solution is 0.0384 molar. So find the concentration of H plus in solution on adding 3.75 into 10 power minus 2 moles of sodium A, this is salt, this is one salt, to 1 liter of the above solution. If you take the 1 liter of solution, so we are adding this much salt. So what is the H plus is there, and K for water is given 1.86. The first we have to find the degree of dissociation of weak acid. How to find it? So by using this formula from the liquid solution, delta TF equal to I into KF into M. So this is the acetic acid, so I equal to 1 plus alpha, because this is a monoacetic acid, or we can say monoacidic. This is a monoacidic. Due to monoacidic, we can write I equal to 1 plus alpha. So delta TF is 273 Kelvin, 0 minus 272.9, so this becomes 0.1. So 1 plus alpha, KF is given, this is given, so alpha equal to 0.4. So we know alpha, and we have given concentration also. So from this concentration, C is given, alpha is given. This is the C, this is the alpha. So on solving K, we know that. Now from this K, we are adding what? Some more salt. 3.75 in 0.0375 moles of Na is given in 1 liter of solution. So what will happen? So on adding these salts, so dissociation of Ha will decrease. Dissociation of Ha will, this weak acid will decrease. So earlier concentration was how much? So it was 3.75, means initial concentration was 0.0375, but after adding this one, means the concentration will become backward direction. So X plus 0.0375 has been added. So this become X, this become X, and this become minus X. Now we can find K equal to X into this one, 0.375 minus X. So we know if you increase or decrease the concentration, K is always remain constant. So in this case, what will happen? So on solving, so this is nothing but the 10 power minus 2 multiplied by this value equal to X into X plus 3. So on solving here, we will get X equal to this much value. And 6.9, so X is nothing but the concentration of H plus. So H plus is equal to 6.89 to 10 power minus 3 molar. So this is our answer.